Hey guys, this is another YouTube video about my pellet rifle. This is a pretty nice rifle. I found it online for $164. There's a bird over there. Might shoot it. Oh well, missed it. It's the pellet rifle. Pretty nice little pellet rifle. I think it's a Benjamin something. Takes 22 caliber, 22.55 caliber pellets. You can pump this up multiple times, however many times. It's got the bolt action little lever here that you push this up, down, and then you back like that, and you can put a pellet in the caliber, and then you just take this thing, push it forward like that, and just take this and push it down. So it's really simple, nice safety. It's got the pump. It does not have a scope, but you can mount one up here. Really nice gun. I will do another pellet gun review, and I'll shoot it on this one. But I have another pellet gun. I'll do a review on that, and I'll even maybe make some hunting videos. Okay, let me grab a pellet real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so again, take it forward, back, slide the pellet in a little groove up there, and then you push it forward, and it looks like that. Then you push it forward, and then once it's push it forward and down. Okay, let me cock it up. Okay, so I will aim for that piece of wood over there. Actually, let me zoom it in. So I hit it. Thanks for watching. This is the Benjamin pellet air rifle. It's really nice. You should go buy one. So thanks for watching my review. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you for watching.